Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a special video because I have an unboxing I'm going to be doing, but also sometimes it's good to cut off the top of these sneakers. So today we're going to be comparing the OG to the new school. Let's talk about it. We'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the roof for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology. Alright, so like I said, before we get up into it, I do have an unboxing from my people over at SolePremise. If you do not know who they are and you have sneakers, hey, tap into them. You can use my discount code down below, KICKnology, to get 35 or 40% off your purchase, which saves big. So I'm pretty sure I know what this is, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up to show you guys. And it's gonna be in my orange colorway like I thought. So y'all see right here we have the commuter bag. This bag can fit about 2 pairs of sneakers in it, plus a laptop if you like to travel. So this is something that if you're gonna be traveling like 5 or 6 days, you don't want to carry this one. But if you're gonna be doing like a turnaround trip, a weekend trip, very dope bags to have. It'll be something that you can keep your sneakers close by to you, TSA approved, so you can just put it up in the top of your carrier on the plane. So let me show you guys, man. Y'all know orange my favorite color. Look at that. Look at that color. Look at the gold plated right there. Very good quality. You can't go wrong with this thing. Like I said, a lot of space in here. Tons of space. You can fit your 2 pairs of shoes right here on the inside. So 1 pair, 2 pair. A size 13, I think it's just 1 pair that can fit in here. So you big feet folks, y'all gonna have to figure something else out. Y'all gonna have to get the bigger bag. But like I said, y'all tap into them down below. I appreciate you guys over at SolePremise. Use my code KICKnology and save big. Now let's talk about these sneakers. Alright, so let's talk about the 72 and 10 Air Jordan 11. So this is the OG colorway, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was kind of on the fence. I said to myself that, you know what, when this shoe drop and they come out with the low, that I wasn't gonna get it, because lows are kind of one of those things that I don't mess with anymore. All of my lows I've got rid of, but this box, they did hit us with this black and gray box. Y'all see the Jordan logo right there. And this is the low. And a lot of times when they hit us with these lows, they don't give us the exact material, the exact quality. But I'm telling you guys, take a look at these B-rolls, but this shoe is the exact same sneaker. So let's go ahead and start with this, with the one that just dropped. So you do have the low. Like I said, they did drop the top. You have the same leather. Look at that leather quality right there. And then this is the OG. Look at that. Same quality. As a matter of fact, the low might be a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? A little bit more tumble. I know you guys, tumble leather determines how great a sneaker is. So y'all see that right there. And then on the back, they gave us the mini Jumpman. And it is in the same color as the OG one, as y'all can see right there. So pretty much the same exact thing on both sneakers. The patent leather, hey, look. Y'all see the shininess in the patent leather. Same thing on this one as well. The bottoms, I'll show you guys those. Same exact bottom. Like I said, this one is my pair. I have worn it, so it does yellow. So just know that if you get this translucent gum bottom, it's going to yellow. But the same exact thing, carbon fiber plates. Y'all see them right here. Same thing, man. So very good quality. So shout out to Jordan Brand. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys were able to cop this shoe, if you went for it. Y'all see the toe box right here. Very good leather on both sneakers. So this shoe is not reselling for much. This is my homeboys. Like I said, I did not go for it, but just looking at the aesthetic of this shoe, very good quality. Jordan Brand didn't do bad with this. They actually stuck true to form, besides cutting the top off these things. Same rope laces. Let's see if they have the lace tips. So the only difference is, as you can see on this one, the lace tips is nothing on that one, but on the retro, the OG, you do have the Roman numerals right there with the Jumpman logo right there. So really the only difference, but same tumbleness on the tongue. Everything is just, all in all, pretty much the same sneaker. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if you was able to cop. What do you rank this thing out of 10? I'm gonna say, I give it a 7, just because, like I said, I don't like lows, but it is a pretty decent shoe. Not a bad pickup. The resale is not going that much for them, so if you want them, you can still get them. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Tap into my people over at SolePremise. Use the discount code below, and y'all already know it's hands. Rock what you like, that was hype. Watch them hands, man, and remember, the shoes that we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Hey, you guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace. I'm off the beat, but right now I'm on the beat, known to be brother more, spitting for the king. You can kick it with my team and kick it with the king. KICKnology.
KICKnology. KICKnology.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing the